Hi, today I will share how I use AI to help me creating social media posts. Open Canva and choose your project size. I will choose social media, Instagram posts. I will create a 3D pop-up Instagram effect. So go to element. I will use this element, man jumping. I will remove the background and then click share, download, transparent background and click download. Add a new tab in your browser and open Gemini. Upload the image that we just downloaded and then switch the clothing to an orange suit, or you can change the color that you want and then generate and then download it back to Canva and upload the image from Gemini here. Remove the background, increase the size to fit the previous image, and then add this Instagram post frame mockup. Reduce the size and send it backward. Select the orange one, go to apps and type here Blender. Choose image Blender, click linear and move it here, and this one move here. And then add a strength and then click save. I will crop the transparent box and then select the image on the back. Go to edit, adjust, scroll down to find saturation and make it -100. And then crop it. Go to element and type sky. I will choose this one. Go to edit. I will make it black and white. Go to adjust and reduce the saturation -100 and then place it here and then send it to back. Now select them all and group them. Let's add a text. Press T on your keyboard. I will type here Monday. I will change the font to a tone font like Northwestern. Increase the size. I will set the alignment to left. Reduce the line spacing. Add a background. I will use this orange background and set as image background. Click on the background. I will flip it vertically. I will move it here and increase the size. Change the text color to white and then I will add a text. I will change the font to Archivo Black. Now let's add some code. Change the font to a regular font like Canva. Left alignment, I will reduce the size. Change the color to white. And then send this big text to back. Now select them all. And I will rotate. Reduce a little. And then I will add some ornament. White glow lightweight. Reduce the transparency. And I will increase the size like this. And then I will add my branding here. So now we have it. I hope it gives you some idea for your next project. See you next video and have fun with Canva.